Hello everyone! Welcome back to the Friedli's channel. Today we're going to be making these super cute and easy to sew pattern weights. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It is extremely helpful when you do so. Pattern weights are used to weigh down your pattern over your fabric. So, instead of using pins and having to pin down each pattern piece, you can use these pattern weights. Pins can also leave marks on some fabrics, so it's great to have some pattern weights to prevent this from happening. To start, cut a 8 cm by 16 cm rectangle. Grab your rectangle and fold the long edge 1 cm in and press. Make sure you're folding it into the wrong side of the fabric. Now, fold the rectangle in half as shown in the video. Press using your iron. With all your rectangles prepped, grab one and fold it in half with the folded edge facing outwards. In other words, fold it right sides facing. Secure it with pins. Sew over the two open edges, not the one with the folded edge. Leave a 1 cm seam allowance. Trim the corners using your scissors. Turn the pattern weight insides out. Make sure to really work those corners. Now the fun part. Grab some uncooked rice and a tablespoon. Fill each pattern weight with about 3 tablespoons of rice. To form the triangle shape the pattern weight has, close the open edge as you can see on the video. Pin it in place, and make sure rice can't fall out. Sew close the open edge. Leave a 3 mm seam allowance. Your pattern weights are now ready. They're super quick, easy, and fun to make. And you'll find them extremely useful. Thank you for watching all the way till the end. Remember, subscribe to the Friedli's channel. Also, if you're looking for cute, affordable, and beginner-friendly sewing patterns, don't forget to look at our website www.friedlis.com. See you all next time. Bye!